Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today in this video, we're going to make a UI design prototype grocery shop. Okay, now let's go make this one. First thing first, go to the block. Just like this, and then turn this into white. And then add the text here. Oh, sorry. Add the text here. Okay, now let's add the text in here. No, not that one. Yeah, white first. This is 0. Yeah, add the hour, the time. 6, I guess. Now, if you really have to find this, I suggest you find in here this with plugins and widgets, like finding the Okay, first thing first, we're going to have to go to the frame here, and then go to the phone. Go list into iPhone 40 and 15 Pro Max, just like in here. Now, right now, okay, just like this. Now, edit the text here. Go in here. Add text in here. Go pages. Then change the color into this. Oh, you haven't changed yet, so no. And then the background, well, if you hardly find the color, you can just copy paste, just like that. Oke, berikutnya kita pertama kita lock dulu ya, ini rectangle-nya ini. Kemudian kita jadikan gini. Ya, jadikan gini. Kemudian kita ke frame selection. Setelah itu ada ini komponen. Jadi kita jadikan komponen. Tada. Setelah itu kita jadikan gini. Dijadikan frame lagi, frame selection. Setelah itu jadi komponen juga. Oke. Taruh di sini. Berikutnya kita akan bikin ini. Gimana cara kita bikinnya? Oke, berikutnya kita akan bikin lagi. Jadi ke frame, kemudian ke iPhone Pro Max lagi. Jadi gini-gini. Kemudian kita ambil ini. Duplikat. Oh, maaf. duplikasi. Jadi kayak gini. Oke, kemudian kita akan bikin bagian ininya. Jadi caranya ya lakukan yang sama yang seperti ini. Seperti biasa, kita bikin teks dulu. Contohnya gini ya, misalnya halo. Udah gitu aja. Setelah itu ini duplikasi lagi. Nah, setelah itu kita jadikan group selection dulu, kemudian frame selection. Maksudnya enggak, jangan group selection, frame selection langsung. Habis itu ke ini jadikan komponen. Otomatis sih gini. Oke, setelah jadi gini, kita jadikan auto layout kayak gini. Nah, ketika mau gerakin, otomatis kayak gini. Seperti yang di atas ini. Maaf. Mau digerakin bakal kayak gini. Oke, setelah jadi gini, kita jadikan auto layout kayak gini. Nah, ketika mau gerakin, otomatis kayak gini. Seperti yang di atas ini. Maaf. Mau digerakin bakal kayak gini. Okay, next we're gonna make the now we're gonna make this now let's do this. Add the stroke. Now change the color into white. Now the fill, we're gonna change the color into this. Okay, now add the eclipse first. So if you want to use the eclipse, find in this and then make it like this, and then change the color into gradient, and then change it into radial. Now this we're gonna change it to a little bit black. Now this we're gonna turn it to this. Yeah, like this though. Now one, so it's gonna have to be like this. Yeah, like that. This one is like that. Still not finished yet, so we're gonna add more line. So a little bit like that. Okay, to 100. Oh, sorry. Then change the color a little bit like this. And almost there. Then yeah, like this. Then edit the detail like this. Okay. Okay, now next edit this one too. Oh, sorry. You know, I'm gonna take this and then duplicate and put it in the back, just like that. Sorry. Now, time for add the text. So we're gonna put it here first. Hold on. Maybe I should use the rectangle first and then edit the. Hold up. This one, I'm gonna lock it first so it doesn't get anywhere. Change into black. Okay, now add the text here. Now let's, well, in order to make this, sorry, this one is component, so how we gonna do it? I mean, how to make it? Example, I'm gonna place the button. Once it's button, now I added a frame selection. Hold on. Now, next we're gonna make this button, but this one is component and it has a frame on it, so it doesn't use the rectangle. So how to make it? Now, first thing first, we added the text. Example, I'm gonna add button. Sorry, button. Yeah, button. Yeah, like that. Button. Now, do this. And like this. Once it's done, now Shift A. Now will automatically like this. Yeah, it's just like that. Now fill it. Change the color into this. That's how you do it. Oh yeah, don't forget to use insert. I'm gonna go 10. But this one the radius is 6. Yeah, I'm 5. Now let's put it put in here. Just like that. Okay. Okay, now next we're gonna do this. Now you can look in here. Its spacing is 20. We have to change it to 15. Now that more like it. Now let's go to the prototype here. Yeah. Okay, now do this. Now animation is smart animated. Now the 3mm is 300, just like that. Now do this again. Same at left. Oh, don't forget to change it yeah, change it. Not unclick, after delay, just like that. Now this too is after delay. Okay, like this now. Okay, now that's the component, the asset. Uh, yeah, the asset is the frame here, right here. Put in here. Once it's done, you can put it here, like in here. Sorry, something went wrong. Oh yeah, forget. Put in here just like this. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, now let's test it. Oh yeah, I almost forgot you. Yeah, don't forget added this one. The trigger is after delay and the duration is change it into 300. Okay, now let's test it. Is it work or not? Now you can see now this. That's how you do it. Okay. Okay, now let's fix it this first. Luckily, we have to turn it a little bit smaller. Wait, not that. In order to do it, we should need to small it, just like that. Just a little bit more smaller. Hold up. Like that. It has to be more smaller though. Just like that. And this one too. And this one too. This one too. Alright. Okay, okay. Yeah, just like this though. Now, add this frame. Okay, the sizes will be 17. Now, change this into radius into 500. Okay, next we're gonna do this. Put in here. I know it's not looking good, but well, it will gone just like that. Next, don't forget to change color into this, so we can actually look. Alright, that should do it. So now let's test. Oh, you haven't not done yet. Let's try again. You know, there's something wrong with this thing. You know what? Because the internet went broken. So let's refresh it first. Okay, now let's do this. How to make like this. In order to make that, we're going to, sorry. Now let's use this frame. Now change the size into 17, all of it, and now fill it into, yeah, just like this color, and then corner this into 500. That's how you do it. Now add that. You can insert the logo. So I'm gonna take this, put in here, then add the text. Well, how about some yeah, laundry. Okay, that's a bit better. Now put it in here, and okay, so the real problem is 17. Now it has to be 100. Now, wait. So it has to be 100. Okay, so don't get screwed up. Just add a little bit more. This will be take a while, so you actually cannot do something like that. Yeah, just like that. Once you do that, you add it, duplicate. Now frame it, then do this. Yup, that should do it. Because this one is the same thing though. Yeah. You have this one haven't not been, you know, not having completely frame it because I forget it. Anyways, before you add this one, add just adjusting. I mean, frame it the text and the icon before you want to frame it all. Now let's make this. How to make it? Now uh, add the random text. Now Control D to duplicate it like this, and then once you do that, frame selection. After you do that, now Shift A. Oh wait, don't do that first because okay, now Shift A. Once you do that, Shift A again. Now it will become like this. Now let's edit fill. Now you can see now it's the same as usual. Now let's make this. Sorry. My bad. In order to make this, we need is how to make it that, yeah, you get asking like that. Well, let's go to the triangle and now make it like this. Once it's done, now frame selection it, Now don't I mean the triangle only. Once that, it becomes like this. Yeah, for example, now you can see now. Once you do that, do this. Now add the text like this. So you frame is fill it. There we go. That should be like that. How about I edit the radius about 50? Oh, that's maybe too much. So we're gonna do 10. And that's like that. Now this one 10 too. And do like exactly like in there. Now let's edit the text. Oh, sorry. Edit the text here, cucumber, and it. So how to make that? First thing first, yeah, just usual. You edit the text like that is in here. Cucumber, cucumber. Now edit, duplicate the text, but yeah, duplicate the text. But if you do it edit the text inside the box that you edit, it's not actually becomes perfectly. It's a little bit complicated, so you have to duplicate it one by one in order to make like this. And the stars, you can actually find it in here. The stars win. Okay, now is it's finished, but there's, you need to know that something. This one, it needs to, you can show this here. This is the frame. So the frame is there. This TT and cucumber, and there's another frame 47. That is the object. You frame it again, and then becomes like this. And the size of it is 440 and the height is 19. It's the same too. About this one is 86 and 20. The height is 20 in the middle. Okay, just like this. Oh yeah, this one is this symbol. You know, you can find it in the widget, the icon. You can, I mean, insert the icon here, and you can find many plugins that made by other people's. I'm sorry, the internet is a little bit uh, low here. You can find it in here. That's how you. That's how I make it in here. Now we're gonna make this one. Okay, now you have to look at first. It constantly will become like this. And then how we gonna make it? Same as in usual. You can see the clip content is still on. So how to make it? Now let's make it another one. The size of it is 308080. Now we're gonna change it into same as this size, 8080, and then this one 8082. Now What's the radius in this? The radius in this is 1414. Let's make it same as the in this 1414. Now the side of the rail is this is it's 86 or maybe 80. Oh wait, I still have this one. It's 85. So let's make it to 85. Now okay. Now edit this. Hold on. Just edit this. Put it in here. This one is text, okay? And then and this one too. Now you can see now. There we go. Okay, now let's edit this. So, well, I'm just gonna skip how to make it. Well, you already know how to make it, right? So, well, I'm gonna get a tips. So, this size, every one is already a component, and is already frame it before its component. And the logos are you can find it in the widgets, and this home, yeah, add the text too, the menu too. And by the way, this size, well, actually you can see now, there's a green and one. Maybe this, I don't know what. I mean, I think it's another frame here, and then frame it and then turn it into a component all. That's how you do it. Okay, now let's make it this. So how are you gonna make it? First thing first, the size of this is 350. No, this is the position. Yeah, it's the position. It's 17 and 75. It's filled. Yeah, each one is 17 and which is 75, and the height is 17. Wait, what is it now? Oh no, the size of it is 17 and the height is 75. Now, how to find this? Each one of this logo icon, you can find it in the widget though, and add the text, and then you frame it by press Shift A. That's how you do it, and then don't forget to size it. The size of it is about, yeah, it's still 75 now. And then change this color into green. Once you're done, add a rectangle again, put it in the back, and then Shift A, turn it into a component. That's how you do it. Okay, next, how to make the scroller here. So first thing first, we're gonna make like this. Yep. and then add that in like here. That should do it. Okay, now let's look in here. Just, I mean, in order to do it, we're gonna shift first, so we can click more in this. Once it's done, now Control C to copy it and then put it back where it belongs to. Oh, sorry, forget. Put in here. Next is here. Now let's put it in here. Okay, now could it be? Put in here. Just like this. When it's done, it will actually automatically comes like this. Now let's test it. See, it's not scrolling down yet. In order to make that, we're gonna change this into a scroller. Hold up. Something like this. Now change this. You can see the overflow is not scrolling. Now we have to go to vertical. Now, oh sorry, mistake. Now horizontal. Yes, that's like that. This is horizontal too. Don't forget it. And each one by one is horizontal too. Now let's see. Now you can see we can now scroll. Now we can, this is horizontal and the vertical. Okay, we're done here. Actually, the problem is it's still in here. So how we gonna do it? Is the first thing you can do now is how we gonna make it so it doesn't do it. Now you have to well, the answer is we have to do this in here first. Put in here, so it's the frame here. The clip, it's still, the clip content is still on. Okay, then like this. Now let's test it again. You can see it's still not working. So how we're gonna finish this problem? Okay, we already made it this one. Now let's duplicate this into much we need in here. Okay, now how we're gonna make this? So this, how we're gonna make it? This is a frame here, and then this is in the frame here. You can see it's still on. Now how to make it? This yeah, this icon, you can find it in the icon div. Yeah, it's in here, so you can find it in there. Okay, and added this thing. You can edit that is in here, the line. Now put it in here. I mean, yeah. Need to front here. Sorry. Okay. Okay, now let's make this one. So I'm not gonna make it again. So I'm just gonna describe it. What's the size of it? Is this one, the weight is 415 and the height is 31. In this, yeah, the text is semi-bold in 16, the 96, yeah, 96 and 19. The size of the space, the text, and the size of the icon is 24. And don't forget added this circle. You can actually know that this circle is actually a, a frame. Oh yeah, it's a frame. So you fill it or about, sorry, yeah, just like this. Oh, wait a second. Okay, now let's put it in here, each one by one, just like this. Okay, now let's put it right now. Okay, now I'll make the few basket here. So we're gonna make the frame again in iPhone 44. Yep, that's gonna be it. And then added each one of these and put it in here. So we're gonna take the banana first, duplicate, and then put it in here. Excuse me. Now turn this size into 14. Yeah, a little bit more further. How about 16? No, yeah, 17, I guess. I should do it. Now we should added the price and then the salary that we have to pay yet. So first thing first, we're gonna do. Okay, now duplicate it and then change the position first. Okay, now let's shift A. Okay, shift again, shift A until everything is shift A. Now back again. Now let's fill it in there. That should be enough. Okay, now radius 10. See that now? Do it one by one and one by one again. Next, shift A again. Now you can see now. Okay, now let's make the price in here. Okay, now making it like this. You might be asking why there's a banana here. I forgot to change it. I asked for the first thing I added in here is was banana, but I changed my mind, so I changed the cucumber. Now I haven't changed it. Now let's get again. So how are we gonna make this? Simple. You gotta do. I mean, look exactly. Would you look first here? You can see now. The size of it is 281 and the height is 42. And this still it's the same thing that we did, just like you know, this that we added here, that we just make that. Now and then yeah, don't forget the size of this one. Oh yeah, first thing first, it's frame again. Hold up. Yes, this frame again, and it's combining into frame. So you add it about one again. Yeah, just like that, and then combine it in this. That's how you do it. Okay, now let's make the cache to the go to the cache. Yeah, just like that. Okay, now let's make this. Okay, so here's the thing. Okay, now this is how we make the the basket here. So to make this, we're gonna, yeah, you can see there are kind of parts in here. So you just need to, it's in the frame here. Yeah, both of it is in the frame. The rectangle, yep. This is the frame. It's the frame here. Now, yep. Inside the bit, put it and become like this. Now, how to make this? So you make a icon here, but the problem is it's not it's not combining it, and this still the frame here, and then you shift A and become this frame. Don't forget to fill it. This is how you do it. If you don't know, yeah, I'm gonna show you again because maybe you maybe forget how to do it. First thing first, add the there. Wait, not yet. Just put it in here. I'm gonna put input, well, different, maybe George. Now, yeah, just like this. Put it in like here. Yeah, just like here, like this. And then add this logo here. By the way, this frame here is still inside of it. And the outside is, the stroke is green here. So that should make it do double it. Oh wait. Okay, now put it in here. Oh, where did it go? Oh, done. Okay, yeah, put in here. Once it's done, you combine it and then Shift A. Yeah, this is how you do it. Anyway, put this in here, put it up. Put it up, put it up. Now, to make it again, you're gonna Shift A again, and that's how you do it. Yep, that's how you do it, and then fill it. Must fill it. Oh, that's too harsh. Change the color into a little bit green. Put it like here, and that's how you do it. Okay, now let's make this. So you're gonna add the iPhone Pro Max yeah, the frame again, and this you're gonna go to the, yeah, it's an icon here. So this thing, how can I find this? Well, actually you can find it in this icon vector. You type it first, vector. Now plugin. You can actually find it in here. That's, you can find it. Yeah, if you find it doesn't, I mean, if you don't found it, well, you're gonna have to find it, because I just got lost it. I accidentally forget it, the plugins that I use it, so I apologize. Then we're gonna do now, this is added in a line, and then yes, the size of it is, pretty sure you know that order and text is 18, and this delivery is for 20, and this is same as usual. Okay, now it's, yeah, you can see everything here, so I'm gonna show how, what size of it. This is, yeah, it's group here, and it's a group here too, but actually I suggest you use the frame here. Now save the cards for the future payment. Okay, and the total price is 1062, but actually the I mean, yeah, the price it, maybe it's gonna skip. You can just edit the price in here, just like, oh, yeah, I forget. The price is actually, you know what, I just got bored to how much that it costs, so I'm just gonna show what's it gets done here. Now finally added the success here. So the here is uh, attention. That's how you do it. So what's the size of this, if you're asking? This rectangle is, the size of it is 30/30, and then the size of it, the width, yeah, this one is 363, I mean 303, and the height is 398. Now the corner radius is 13, and this you can see the size of it. I use the instrument sans here, and the size for text is 12. The position is like this. This too is same. You know that press enter. It's still the one rectangle, not one by one text yet. And this, the size of it is, yeah, I still use the rectangle though. Fill. The corner radius is 15. That's how you do it. Okay, now let's go to the prototype now. Okay, so I already prototype it. So what we have to do now is, now you can see now this on click smart animated, and it's 800, and each one by one it's on click 2, smart animated, curve is gentle, and the duration is 100, and until the 7 frame iPhone 14. Now when it's already 7 here, you can see prototype this. Yes, prototype it, and then put it in here, and it's on click 2, but I added to 800, and animation is moved in. Well, the animation about go to the next page is up to you. What is, yeah, that's up to you what you want to add the animation is. Okay, put it here, and then add the prototype here too into this. Okay, in the frame, not in the this thing. Okay, this add the prototype too, and then this goes to the another page, and finally finish. Yeah, the finish page here. So in here we gotta put this, goes to the first page here, and you can see that. Okay, now let's test it. Okay, now you can see now. Okay, now let's edit this. Yeah. Oh, well, that's one. Wait, I haven't done anything yet. Okay, now add orange too. Next, we're gonna add this. Oh wait, forget. Uh, what I usually eat? Yeah, we need the pepper. We already had the pepper there. Yeah, the lemon, forget. And then we added this Porex. Now, all right. Few basket. I mean, yeah, for few. Oh yeah, I added two again. Okay, now we have this. Go to the card. Okay, now you can see now this is important here, the payment here. Okay, now pay now. The total price is this. Success! Your payment was successful. A receipt for this request has been sent to your email. Go back. And that's how you made the grocery shop UI design application with Figma. Okay, that may be from to me, and I apologize if I said something wrong. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.